once again.
Welcome friends to my channel and let's get started. I will tell you that how you can start a successful YouTube channel. I hope that after watching this video you will be able to create a successful YouTube channel. You know that everybody wants to make name, fame and money on YouTube because YouTube is that platform on which you can create a lot of money. To become a successful YouTuber, you need two things. First, your talent, and second is your confidence to speak in front of camera. Both things are very necessary and important according to their advantages. First, your talent. If you have talent in anything, if you have skill in anything, just make video and then upload. After some time, your likes, views and subscribers will indicate you, and know in this way you can create three things: name, fame and money on YouTube. Second is your confidence to speak in front of camera. That is most important. A lot of people have talent but they have no confidence to speak in front of camera. If any person that have this ability, then in one day that person can create a lot of videos as that person want. You can create about news, discussion, about anything, discussion that people want. In this case, you can create a lot of money on YouTube. I hope that in both cases, you have only one cases or two cases, but you have anything. Just after watching this video, make channel and then try to upload and check. If you have not cleared about my things, then just open YouTube and type famous YouTubers, then try to watch videos of that persons. Then you will come to know that what I have to do. In this way you can create a lot of things that people will like you. If you want that I will make a video about that how you can polish yourself to speak in front of camera, then just write in the comment, then I will try to make video about it.
Once again.